My primary goal with each video was very specifically directed at my niche market, those clients, those specific leads, and the centers of influence, the CPAs and attorneys that worked with them. What I feel like I've accomplished by having that focus and preparing the videos was I've been able to use those videos and in a very short period of time get the attention, hook people in a little better. Whether they're, again, clients looking for information or attorneys looking for the hot topic. Having gone through the process, what I like the most about it is the fact that it's remote. So I can be in my office, I can turn on my iPhone, I can talk to Tracy, who's awesome. Then once it's prepared, I know that it's going to be professionally edited. I know we're going to get great graphics. I've been really happy with the videos as they came back. They always actually look and sound better than I thought they would. My advice for other advisors making marketing videos is to outsource like I've done with Decanter, because they're professionals. They make it easy. It's all remote. It's actually probably more cost effective than trying to do it myself. And it certainly comes out a lot better than if I had done it myself. It's not live, it's recorded, it's edited by Decanter. So what I've learned the most is just to relax. I don't freak out or get as nervous before because I know that they'll get rid of all my imperfections.